Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to my channel Technical DHSN. In this video, you will learn how to use some hidden features of YouTube application. So let's start. Open YouTube application and play any video which you want. Now hold your finger on the YouTube player and you can now forward and reverse your video without touching the seek bar. Now the next step. Again hold your finger on the YouTube player and slide it to the upside. Your video screen will be maximized. Now if you want to bring it again on the default size, so hold your finger on the YouTube player and slide it to the downside. The video will play in the default player. Now if you double tap this area, your video will be forward for 20 seconds. Now here, from CC button you can turn off and turn on subtitles. Subtitle means translation. As you can see, the subtitle has been turned on. Now if you want to turn off, so again press the CC button, subtitle will be off. From this button, you can link your TV with YouTube app and other devices. And this button is autoplay on. Autoplay means the next video will be automatically play. Let's explore some other feature. If you press on the setting button, so on the first you will see quality, which is auto. If we click on quality, so here you will see some option. You can choose either you want to play in lower pixel your video or you want to play in a higher pixel for best quality. 720 and 1080 are the HD quality, which means the best quality of video, and 360 or lower than 360 are the unclear video quality. Okay, now again if we press the setting button, we will see the loop option. Loop means repeat automatically. When your video is end, so the loop option will play it again if you turn on this option. From report, you can report about this video, and the next option is playback speed. From here you can choose either you want to play in slow motion your video or in fast mode you want to play your video. If you want to play in slow motion your video, so you can select this option. If you want to play in fast mode your video, so you can choose this option. Now let's explore some other feature, and from here you can tap on your channel logo, and from here you can visit your channel. Now go back and again press on the channel logo and press on the setting button. In general, you can select different options for different purpose, and from here you can select autoplay, video quality for internet mobile network. If you want to save your internet MBs, you can choose this option. And the next option is downloads. From here you can select the download quality. You can change it full HD, high, medium, low. As per your selection will be the download quality. And from here you can manage your history. It will take you to another website. So this was a short video about how you can use some hidden features of YouTube application. I'm sure guys this video will interesting for you. And for more technical and informative videos, you can check my channel playlist. Here I have different videos on different topics. As you can see, this is my channel playlist. In one playlist there are more videos. Like in this playlist I have 12 videos. So stay connected with my channel for more interesting videos, and see you in the next video inshallah. Take care until